If you are looking for the best sewing machine for beginners, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine. This one is a heavy-duty Singer sewing machine with a total of 11 built-in stitches. The stitches include 6 basic stitches and a 4-step buttonhole. Not to mention, the rest 4 are all decorative stitches. It is a powerful, high-speed, stable sewing machine. The power comes from its robust motor, and the stability comes from the enduring, heavy-duty metal frame. Moreover, it is high in speed as it sews 1,000 stitches per minute. Projects are obliged to finish on time. Great to sew thick fabrics. Number 2. Brother CS6000i Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother CS6000i Sewing and Quilting Machine comes with a variety of extras that make quilting convenient, including an oversized table attachment. First of all, the oversized table attachment is designed for quilting and other larger projects. There are also 8 quilting feet to choose from. There are 60 stitches to choose from on the LCD screen, including 7 buttonholes. You can store your CS6000i in the included hard protective case. Brother backs the quality of this unit with a 25-year limited warranty. Singer 1304 Sewing Machine for Beginners. This sewing machine comes with a bunch of preset stitch applications and automatic bobbin winding, which will allow you to focus more on learning, and less on adjusting. The Singer Start is also quite compact and lightweight, so it's a great portable option. The 6 preset stitches are perfect for any beginner. They include all the options you'll need for alterations, clothes sewing, home projects, creating buttonholes, and even sewing different fabrics together. Automatic winding. We also love the Singer Start for beginners thanks to its automatic bobbin winding feature. Number 4. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 is just right for beginners, and most seem to think it hits a sweet spot in terms of features, price, and ease of use. This mechanical sewing machine includes 27 built-in stitches, a 1-step buttonhole, and 6 presser feet, all of which give beginners a few more options without being too overwhelming. This compact Brother has several beginner-friendly features, including a dial control stitch selector, a top-loading, automatic winding bobbin, an automatic needle threader, and a free arm that makes cuffs, sleeves and other curved fabrics easier to handle. Number 5. Janome 2212 Sewing Machine. people who are looking for a sewing machine that is within the budget, that is easy to use with a detailed manual, and can be used for a variety of purposes should consider the Janome 2212. This Janome sewing machine for beginners is designed in such a way that a user does not get lost while working on it. Easy selection of switch aside, it also comes with a free arm for all those tiny projects. The 4-step buttonhole requires the user to change the dial position between marks to complete the process.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.